Here's how to turn on Google two-step verification, also called 2FA, to protect your account from hackers. First, open any browser on your phone or computer and go to myaccount.google.com log in to the Google account you want to secure. On the left side, tap Security. If you're on mobile, scroll across the top tabs and select Security. Now scroll down to the section called How You Sign into Google. Find two-step verification and tap Get Started. Google will ask you to confirm your password. Enter it and continue. You'll now see several options for your second verification step, Google Prompts, a simple yes/no notification on your phone. Authenticator App, text message or phone call, backup codes, security key, USB or NFC key. For most people, Google Prompts is the easiest. Tap Continue, choose your device, and tap Allow on the pop-up. To avoid getting locked out, scroll down and set up backups. Add a second phone number. Add backup codes. Set up the Authenticator app as a secondary method. These backups will help you log in even if you lose your main phone. And that's it. Your Google account is now protected with two-step verification.